Well, we got a customer that comes in here all the time. They want the airbags deleted, so we got this kit here from NAPA. It's a conversion kit 90004C, and it's the spring and shock assembly to get rid of the airbags. And you can see he's got the airbags pulled out already. They're not even in there anymore. And he's gonna go in with installing the new kit. So you can see he's got the rear shocks removed. The rear assemblies dropped down just a hair because they're removed. And then he's gonna go in with the new springs, pull everything back up, and then remount the shocks. Pretty simple kit, nothing crazy about it. OES Spectrum, new shocks, or new springs. I'll show you guys when it's finished. Here, I'll do a quick slow shot of the instructions on this kit. It's up to you to pause the video and do. So I just helped him. He took a pry bar and stuck it in on this angle right here, up underneath, actually underneath the lower trailing arm here, and then went up underneath the body in a safe spot and pried down on the bottom of the vehicle so he could slide the spring up in there. And a little bit of pressure, both springs popped right up in. So he's got the shocks installed, and you'll have to go to a connector under the dash, which I'm not going to do on this one because I don't want to get in his way. But here's the new shock installed and the spring installed.